Nancy Kohli in a major setback for Congress President Sonia Gandhi and Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi. The Delhi High Court has today dismissed petition of both of them against summons issued by a lower court in the National Herald case. The lower court had issued summons to Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi and others on a petition of Subramanian Swamy. Subramanian Swamy had alleged that assets of Associated Journal Private Limited worth 5,000 crore rupees have been acquired by Young India company. Sonia and Rahul Gandhi each has 38% ownership in the company. Let's listen in to Subramanian Swamy, the co-petitioner in the National Herald case. In fact, started in 1938 by Jawaharlal Nehru, the National Herald circulation and financial health steadily deteriorated over decades, leading to its closure in 2008 with a debt of 90 crore rupees on its head.
आज ये तय हुआ है कि उनका जो सोनिया गांधी, राहुल गांधी और अन्य लोगों का जो याचिका है हाई कोर्ट में, ये बेबुनियाद है, उसको रद्द कर दिया है और कहा कि आपको ट्रायल कोर्ट में अपीयरेंस करना चाहिए.
And let's get in the latest on that news. Just coming in, our correspondent Vikas Sarthi is now joining us at the moment. Vikas, now with the decision coming in from the High Court today, Congress President Sonia Gandhi and Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi will have to appear before a Delhi court in the case.
Right, Nancy. Today, High Court dismissed petitions of Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, and two others. As you know, that there are allegations that that the company raised by Congress Party, Young Indians, the company which has worth of only 5 lakh rupees, in fact acquired Associated Journals Private Limited, which have assets of almost 1,000 crore surplus assets. There are questions raised by several people, including Subramanian Swamy. Swamy said that this is a clear case of misappropriation of funds, not because the first major point was that Congress Party cannot give any loan for commercial purpose. Congress receives donations which are interest free, and they cannot give any commercial loan to any entity. Here Congress Party gave loan to AJPL Limited, around 90 crore rupees was sanctioned by Congress Party.
Right.
Later AJPL did not control Congress Party. Instead, a company was formed by name of Young India. This company acquired almost 90% assets of AJPL, but the real catch is that this company itself is of worth 5 lakh rupees, and it acquired a company of 5,000 crores along with its debt of 90 crore, which it was supposed to return to the Congress Party. Later, it was found that Congress written off the loan which was given to AJPL. So Swamy claims that Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi and others were benefited by this whole transaction, and there are several illegalities because the loan was given in cash. Out of 90 crore, only 50 lakh was given through check. The rest of the amount was given in cash. So there are violations of Income Tax Act. Apart from it, he says that all these things were done with a mera fide intent. Now, tomorrow, lower court is scheduled to hear this case again, because earlier this matter was pending before the High Court. The only relief now Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Motilal Bora and Oscar Fernandez can have is that they can file a petition before Supreme Court, and they may try to take any relief from Supreme Court itself. Apart from it, there are no further reliefs available from High Court for all these four. So it's a major setback for Congress Party, because four big people, in fact, Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi are president and vice president. There are serious allegations against them. So it's a major setback for Congress Party.
Right, Vikas, we'll come back to what it means for the Congress Party and its leaders a little later. And you've given us a background of the National Herald case. The summons were issued on a complaint for alleged cheating and misappropriation of funds in acquiring the ownership of the National Herald case. Also, Vikas, the Delhi High Court today even dismissed the petition of the two top Congress leaders asking that a lower court summons to them be cancelled. The High Court also declined to grant them exemption from personal appearance before the trial court in the matter, Vikas.
Right, Nancy. High Court single bench not only gave a order against these four people. Apart from it, court refused to grant any relief, any kind of exemption from appearance Now only trial court will decide whether tomorrow they can give any kind of exemption to these people. Because of that fact only, it is very likely that the petitioners will move to the Supreme Court and they will try to get an order of exemption from Supreme Court itself. We are waiting because the registry remains open till 5 o'clock. There is very likelihood that that all the petitioners will approach the Supreme Court.
All right, Vikas, so now coming back to what the case really means, and with the High Court order coming in today, what does it mean for the Congress party and its leaders?
Well, as of now, it is very primarily staged, but it is very clear that lower court finds some substance in Subramaniam Swamy's complaint, Subramaniam Swamy's petition, and because of that, summons were issued to Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Motilal Vora, and Oscar Fernandez, because these four were key people in this whole transaction. So definitely lower court found some kind of element, some kind of substance in the complaint, and because of that only summons were issued. Later all the four people approached the High Court and they tried High Court's intervention and tried to quash those summons. But after hearing of several months, now today High Court has said that yes, there are some substance in those complaints, and because of that High Court had refused to set aside those summons. And it's a major setback because tomorrow is hearing, and just a day before the hearing, the High Court has given an order which clearly said that Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi will have to appear before the lower court. So it means another judicial forum has denied any kind of relief to them. Now their hope will lie on only Supreme Court, whether Supreme Court gives any kind of relief, any kind of permission from any kind of exemption from personal appearance to all these four people.
Right, so that's the news that's just coming in at the moment, which is that Delhi High Court has dismissed the pleas of Congress President Sonia Gandhi and Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi, seeking to quash summons issued to them by a trial court on a complaint for alleged cheating and misappropriation of funds in acquiring the daily National Herald in that case. Vikas, also, what are you hearing? If you have heard anything from that side, are they likely to approach Supreme Court in the case now?
Nancy, when High Court delivered this judgment, no senior counsel, that we were hoping that Kapil Sibal may be present there, be present there, but he was not there. He was arguing some other case. So there was no reaction from any Congress leader or any counsel related to Congress party. There are no official confirmation whether they are going to approach Supreme Court today or tomorrow, but it is very likely that they will approach Supreme Court today itself, because tomorrow hearing is pending before the trial court, and it is very likely that this matter may be mentioned before Supreme Court, and the parties will try to get any kind of relief, an exemption from personal appearance. It is very likely that they will move today itself, because tomorrow trial court will resume hearing on the case. So it is very likely that the petitions will be filed today itself.
All right, Vikas Sarthi, thanks very much for joining us at the moment and sharing all those details on that news is just coming in.